Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Edifier QR65 speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your phone or other device, if it keeps disconnecting, not responding, etc., a lot of these problems can be fixed with this factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to set this speaker up like it's a brand new device so that you can connect it to a new phone or whatever, or use it on a new stereo system, we can go ahead and do this and wipe all the settings and pairing, delete all the pairing history, etc. So all you need to do is with the speaker in work mode, you're just going to come here and find this light effects button, and you're just going to press and hold the light effects button for 5 seconds. Once you press and hold this for 5 seconds, this will go into reset mode and allow it to do its reset, and then you can just go ahead and turn it on and use it like you're using a brand new speaker.